Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. Hope you all had a Merry Christmas and are about to have a wonderful New Year. I'm Joey, my producer editor. Sophie is actually right over here. She's also my dog. If this is your first time to the channel, like I said, Sophie's my producer / editor, and she edits the videos. She likes to make fun of me. So if you see any text going across the screen, those come from Sophie taking jabs at me. All right, well, I wanted to do this before Christmas. I didn't get a chance. It was so busy, the hustle and bustle of the holiday season. Sophie's going insane over here. So today we're gonna make, it's called the Green Elf. It's a gin-based drink. It actually has vodka in it as well, but it's just as perfect for the new year, Sophie, just as perfect for the new year as it is for Christmas. So this is the week in between Christmas and New Year. Things have calmed down just a little bit. They're about to ramp back up to be just as insane over the next few days. But, so yes, it is called the Green Elf, and it's a fantastic holiday season cocktail. That's what I'll call it. And this, it actually comes from Peterson's Holiday Helper book, which this is my favorite book for cocktail drinks around the holiday season. It has Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year. This is my favorite. I don't know what I would do without this. Helps you get through. Helps you get through the holiday season. Okay. All right, so Sophie's lying back down, thankfully. All right, so let's go there. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. We'll make this real quick. I'll give it a taste, and we'll see if it's worth making. I actually know it is because I've already made it. But I'll still give it a taste test, and I'll give you my honest review. So here we go. All right, let's give this a try. We have the Green Elf. Smells delicious. Oh, yes, that is fantastic. Fantastic. It definitely has a bite to it, which is what you want. Yes, that is delicious. Can really taste the lime. It's not sweet at all, obviously, and you can taste the apple as well. And I used apple vodka. It said apple liqueur, but I figured I'd use vodka just because, you know, I like vodka. And this is the way that I will make these every time. And I don't know if you noticed also I used orange bitters because I did not have peach and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I figured orange, peach, not really even close at all, but it still has a great flavor to this. And the gin is very subtle. I think that everything else kind of overpowers it, but you can still obviously taste it since it's in here. Yeah, so I'll give this one an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. This is perfect drink for the holiday season. Nice and easy. Very, very refreshing. Very refreshing. And like I said, I try to get this out before Christmas, but this is what I'll be drinking New Year's Eve. To ring in 2024. What in the world happened? How is that possible? I don't know, but happy holidays to everyone. Go make a green elf. And don't spill it like I just did. Spilled it everywhere. What in the world am I doing? All right, anyway. I swear this is my first one. I'm not kidding. This really is. Delicious. Now I smell like gin, vodka, and lime. That's okay. I actually always smell like that anyway, so. Okay, well, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Go make one of these. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. I can attempt to do that. Keyword being attempt. Also hit the like button. That really helps me out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can also hit the notification bell, yes, because then you'll know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.